I got the PCIe USB 3 port for the PC and the bay. Fuck you. Here in there, he doesn't know what the fuck. And we got these little adapters for the phones. The USB-C extender, basically.
I might need some tape.
It'll work for his.
It might need tape.
Yeah, it needs high tape.
Just, it works.
And then this is a USB 3 port splitter and SD card reader.
And what's it for? It's to make our lives easier so we can do shit faster.
Yeah, so the videos come off the GoPro like in a couple minutes instead of like 30.
Sit down so you're part of the video.
You want to see my cross?
Sit down.
It comes with a CD.
Yeah.
It's got some good music.
I doubt it. Fuck the paperwork.
Quick start $8.
Plug it in, turn it on, it works. Boom, done.
USB 3. We need to take apart computers tomorrow or today. We should do that tonight. You should figure out and put all your parts in one, whatever your thingy. You gotta take one apart, might as well take 10.
My computer has been doing the blue screen of death. This is the second restart. It is repairing problems, so hopefully it fixes itself.
BJ and Scotty are still at the bus. I'm not sure what they're doing today, but maybe doing laundry or I don't know. But I'm out here fishing with Thea. So I was gonna try to get a cool like time-lapse shot of the sun going down and stuff.
He says hi.
Hi.
I don't. Hold on. I know how to.
There you go.
Hi. Feeling this business way.
Hey, get this way, man. Fuck it. Boom.
Sorry, I can't read cursive.
I told you. I said I have them on right. I bet they can't read it. They can't read the cursive right.
Yep. Not hers.
Hers is hard to read if you know how to read.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sometimes there's a couple in there I gotta really
Look at.
Hey.
Yeah, definitely need these.
Putting that boy to work.
Yeah.
I think he left his
Yeah,
at our house.
Huh?
I think he left yours at our house. Or they got too small.
And
There.
get the receipt if they're not.
The ones I tried were too small.
We're getting up, you guys.
Have the same coat.
Thank you.
Well, so black. That's color.
You
Get
don't
a
have
oil
to-
on it. You don't see it.
You don't have to double up on hoodies anymore.
Are you nervous?
Yeah.
What do you think, girl or boy?
So your final decision.
Let's see what it is.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. That's cute.
I told you it was a boy a long time ago. No way it would bleed.
I'm still holding it.
It ain't gonna be no boy.
Yes.
I'm still
Daddy's little buddy. And wild about daddy. Huh? What you think? I'm speechless. That's crazy.
You excited?
Mhm.
Are you gonna cry?
I'm happy.
Thank you.
Knew it.
Ain't no crazy buying stuff.
She had you fooled a couple times though.
She did.
You were telling me you thought it was a girl the other day.
Yeah.
You being a
Cause
brat.
I almost slipped. We were talking and I said he on
Like she was
accident.
talking and it
And
sounds
then
like
he's like, "Did you just say
sounds
he?"
like it's
And I
a
was like,
girl.
"No, I don't know what
think
you're
she
talking
meant
about."
that.
And then I was like, "Man, I just told Bruce, and I'm like, we like, I'm crazy enough."
Now Grandpa will start buying stuff.
Yeah.
The sonogram pictures.
Oh
I
yeah.
showed everybody else.
I have those.
Aw,
Wait.
that my big boy. Yeah, there's Lexi.
He was trying to peek, and I'm like, "No, Hi. cut it out." Hi. I'm not drunk this time.
Yeah.
Yet. We'll see.
Yeah?
We'll see.
Aw. That my big boy.
Aw.
Great promotion.
Oh man, that hurt.